Welcome to Arlington Community Arts. Today we're making beaded friendship bracelets. Begin by selecting some letter beads and some colored beads to use for your bracelet. Tie a colored bead on the end of your string to keep the other beads from falling off the end. Place some colored beads on your string. About halfway through the bracelet, place your letter beads to spell out a word. String some more colored beads to finish your bracelet. Now you can remove the letter bead that you tied onto the end of your string. To tie your bracelet, tie a knot by wrapping one string over the other. Tie another knot by having the string that went under last time go over. You can tighten this knot well by sticking a pencil or pen in between the two knots and pulling tight. Trim the extra elastic and stick the ends of it up inside the beads. Enjoy your new bracelet!